everybody, and welcome to Simple Hobby Homesteading. I am Jenna, and of course we have Athena. And you're gonna hear her whining and trying to get in my lap and all these wonderful things because she wants to be in the video. We should have her in the, should we have her in the video? What do we think? Hi, Athena. Okay, so today I opened up something that I've had for like a hot minute, and excuse the disheveled look. I've been cleaning, I've been making soap, I've been doing all the things, and I haven't even combed through my hair to get it back into a ponytail. It's crazy. Anyways, we have mop feet. So I got a pack of these. There's a ton of them. Well, actually not a ton. 1, 2, 3, 4 pairs. No, there's 4 pairs, 5 pairs. And what these are for is like after you mop your floor, then you put these on and they slip over shoes really well. I did bare feet today, and you'll see in the video that they are a little bit big, but they stayed on just fine. They've got elastic, but they just fit over your foot or shoe, and then you can dry your floor just by walking around. These are the most amazing things ever. I slipped them on my feet and just like ice skated down the hallway, just whoosh, whoosh, whoosh. And I tried to video it holding the phone, but really what you see is floor and then a foot go through, and then floor and then a foot go through. But you get the general gist. And just a couple little ice skating sessions down the hallway with these, and they're not slippery at all. Got my floor just completely dry, which was awesome because I don't know why, but a wet floor, I'm always like, you know, don't walk on it, don't let the dogs walk on it. I don't know why it matters, but anyways, and so having the dry floor is awesome, and it just gives me an idea too on how clean the floor is after I scrubbed it or washed it or, you know, mopped it or whatever. And these came out completely clean, just a little bit damp, of course, from soaking up all the water. And they're not even crazy wet, but they soaked up all the water really, really well. And then these just go in the washer, and I probably won't, well, maybe I will put them in the dryer too, we'll see. But yeah, they're amazing. And so I'll put the link down in the comments of where you can get these. I think they were super cheap. I want to say under $10 for what I say, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs. And so I'm definitely not scrubbing the floor that often, and I'll put these in my cycle of hot water with like my rags and things like that. And so I can, and I do that cycle like once a week or so. And so actually that'll work out well. I don't scrub my floors 5 times a week, but I do it like 3 or 4. And so, I mean, dogs, right? Dog life. And so actually that'll be perfect. I don't know why you guys just had to go down that road of how often I'm going to launder these things. But these are amazing. I was dubious on would they be like sopping wet and really not do much, but they soak up the water really, really well. And then they're so clean, I might just hang these to dry and reuse them again because they're completely clean. We just used them to dry the floor that was already clean. So I might not even have to wash them every single time. They're phenomenal. I was surprised. So yeah, win of the day. Have a great day, guys. Bye-bye. A long wet floor and muppy feet. And now we have a dry floor.